Transferring money from your credit card to your bank account is pretty easy thing to do on Scotiabank. Today we will talk about how you guys can transfer money from your credit card to your bank account in the Scotiabank. While transferring between credit card and bank account is actually transferring between accounts because credit card is actually your account's card. So in order to do that, we will be transferring funds between accounts. So in order to do that, you have to be at the app, and in the app you have to tap on this option. After that, you have to tap on transfer between accounts option, and afterwards you just have to select from account, and then you have to select to account. Now after selecting the account, you simply have to tap on the amount to enter the amount you want to transfer. Now after that, you simply have to slide to transfer. Now after sliding it, it will give you a review. You just have to tap on finish to finish your transfer. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.